Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. This is a very simple, I would call easy peasy DIY. Is so simple to make. It'll only take you probably a couple of minutes to complete because you don't really need any additional tools. You won't even need a glue gun. This is going to be a part of a series that I'm going to be making because I am going to be assembling a command center for our family. And this is just one of the items that I am going to be implementing to keep our family stay organized. Also, this video is in collaboration with Jord, spelled Jord but pronounced as Yode, Jord. And the company has contacted me to try on one of their beautiful wooden watches, and I am going to be giving you my first impression review of this watch. It is important for us in our family to be timely in any of our appointments, and in our command center there are going to be places where we're going to be able to put information about our appointments, and it is important that to be timely that you have a very reliable timepiece. And I will be having a giveaway that is going to be sponsored by the company Jord, so that you can avail more easily of these beautiful watches. And I will also have a coupon code that you can use for an instant $25 off. But first, let's get on with our DIY. So I'm going to be using this as a, the 3-compartment key or catch-all for car keys, lanyards, a small clutch, or even small wallet. I'm going to be putting this just to have a more unified look. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't want to waste too much product on this. So I'm just going to cut from here to here, just this portion here. I'm going to do, this is what I like about this contact paper, it has lines already, so I could see that I am going to use this. Cut it from here straight. Now let me make sure that it fits. And then I can cut the rest also the same size. Actually, after cutting this, I figured out the middle portion is a little bit wider than the left and the right portion. So just keep that in mind. Right on. Okay. So just peel and stick. So this is it. You can change the contact paper if you want to, if you're tired of the design. If you're someone who likes to update your home decor, you can always change this with just a contact paper. And also contact paper protects the bottom part so that you don't scratch, because if you're going to put car keys and coins and whatever, you'll get a beating and you wouldn't want to see scratches, because acrylic trays can scratch easily. So I got this. I got about 10 pieces of this in a set at Ross from a while back, I think probably a couple of years ago, and I only paid like maybe $3, a little over $3, maybe even $2.99. But you can find something similar. So I'm just going to put it here so the black theme is there, and then I'll just use a chalk paint marker, and then just put the names. So I want to talk about this watch here. This is a Jord watch. It's pronounced Jord, but it's spelled J-O-R-D. It's not Jord. It's easy to say that it's Jord, but actually Jord, kind of like Y-O-D-E is the pronunciation. So it's really important that when you want to be organized at home, we were talking about the command central or center, where you want to be also on time for things for your appointment. It's always important that you have a functional watch. And what I like about this, it's really good, high quality, as you can see here. And I'm going to set this aside here. There you go. I like it because it's made of wood, very, very good materials. And there's double closure there, not just one. And it came in this box, also made of high quality wood, and that's their logo there. There's another logo. And this is the box. This is magnetized. And it came wrapped in here. Okay, so this is like a pillow protection. And they gave extra links. Well, actually they only gave one extra link, and I had two removed because I kind of lost a little bit of weight and I want it to be snug. They will ask you to measure it if you order. So there is a paper that you can print, and the paper is like a tape measure to actual size, and you will just wrap it here and then measure. And this one was also tied up in a thread here, so that was kind of like a charm or something like that. It's made of wood too, and I'm gonna keep this. There is this one here that you can wipe it with. This is their card, and this is the product information, and this is the Conway series. And some of you may think it's a man's watch, but I like this style. To be honest, I like the more informal style. I enjoy this type of watch better. So yeah, and it says here, read me first, watch sizing. There's some information here. And oh, this is an information for the wholesaler. You know, those who would want to wholesale this. Yeah. And look at this. I'll show you. This box has a compartment here, a secret compartment if you want to put away, you know, maybe your earrings, rings. It can be like a jewelry box, or for guys, cufflinks. So yeah, high quality. And I will be linking down below in the description box, the link to the giveaway, and I will put there the $25 coupon off. And I really, really like this a lot, and it keeps me in time. I mean, I sometimes use this, like right now I'm using my cell phone as a camera to shoot this. Of course, if I want to check the time, I would have to turn it off and look at it. So for the most part, I don't really rely on my cell phone for time. I want to use a wristwatch, and I think this is a very reliable one. I like that the face is white, and you can choose the styles. Next, to set up the tray. Okay, so here's how it's gonna look like, and it doesn't look like just a plain acrylic tray, and I like it a lot with this contact paper. So to show you how it's gonna look, so this is my daughter's car key. So if we're gonna assign this one hers, and then this one probably in the middle is mine. You know, this is my wallet. You know, I couldn't live without that. Then my husband can put his stuff here too. You can put coins, you can put, you know, if you want to remove your jewelry, pieces of jewelry, you know, rings or bracelet for a while before you leave again, just put it there. So that's it, everyone, for this project. And like I said earlier, this is part of a short series where I am going to be assembling our command center. And I will be referencing them to each other once I'm done uploading them. So hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with anyone who may be interested in this type of project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And as soon as the bell icon appears next to the subscribe icon, please hit that so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. And please leave some comments down below. I enjoy reading your comments, and I enjoy responding to them as well. I love my interactions with you in the comments section. Hope you all are having a great day and enjoy the rest of the summer. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.